Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Combine 500 g ground meat, 1 egg, 50 g breadcrumbs, 1 tsp salt, and 1/2 tsp pepper in a chilled bowl. Use your hands to fold. This gives the saucy the right texture without overworking the proteins. Once mixed, form logs about 8–10 cm long and press gently so they hold shape. Make sure to keep the surface cold. Colder fat emulsifies better, which prevents greasy, crumbly results when you hit the pan. You sear first to lock flavor. Place saucy on a hot oiled pan and brown each side 2–3 minutes to build a caramelized crust. Once done, reduce to medium to cook through evenly. Turning every 2 minutes avoids burning and gives consistent color. Use a thermometer to check 72 degrees C internal temp because visual cues can mislead. This ensures safety while preserving juiciness. If the exterior cooks too fast, lower heat and cover briefly to let the center catch up without drying out. You finish by resting the saucy 5 minutes under tented foil so juices redistribute and the texture firms. For serving, add a splash of lemon or a light vinegar-based sauce. Acid brightens the meat and balances fat. If a batch turned out dry, don't discard it. Simmer gently in a small pan with 1–2 tablespoons stock or sauce for 3–4 minutes to rehydrate. Make sure to taste and adjust seasoning at the end. If splitting occurs, next time keep meat colder and avoid overworking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.